Throw it in the bag. Now let's open another one. I want to get the bad fairy or the evil person. And this is Series 10. I already said it in the beginning of the video. Oh. Boo! I thought I got this one before. Did I?
Maybe.
The bagel is stuck. No, it's a donut. Oh. She has to wear her dress. And then you put your arms. And then you put your arms. Then you put your head. And then you put the other arm. The other arm. And then you put it in the butt, on the body. And then you put it on the body. And you do what you. Is it done? Now we just gotta snap the head off. And click! And then put her hair. She has makeup on. Her makeup is very pretty. Is it done? No. You can make it into a bun. You can also make it to a bun or a ponytail. I got a ponytail. Help me put the hair on first. I'll take the bun. I thought this is frosting, but it's the half of the hair. I turned the dress the wrong way. Oopsies. I have to do it all again. Yay. 2 minutes away. Opening this fingerlay. Do you know anything about a thingamajig? Oh, her dress snapped. It's supposed to know how to snap. You can piece it out together. I did not know that person way. Snap back on. Dressy. Why did I not know that 5 minutes ago?
Because you didn't check it out before.
Oh. And then you put the arm falls out, and then you put the head. And then you put the bun. And then, why is it still so floppy?
I don't know. Anyway, doesn't matter.
Now help me. She's a servant. She's a maid. Comment down below what I should name these guys. Click. Her arm is snapped off.
No, you cannot do this. It's impossible. You need to take out her head because you didn't plug it in tight before. No, you need to take out her body first. Yes.
Why am I doing this all again?
Because you didn't completely plug it in. That's why her hand is a little bit loose.
It's
Or her
floppy.
arm.
It's floppy.
You think that you have plugged it in, but it doesn't. And you didn't follow the step by step. the dress should be the last pieces to plug it in, because it's the outermost part.
Oh.
You always need to follow procedure.
I still don't know how to follow procedure.
You skip some steps, then it will make things mess.
Make a mess. Eee!
They have instruction. They read the instruction.
I don't need to.
That's why you didn't make it sometime.
What now? I'll set up the donuts for the gourmet. Look at the
Easy, you need to
chocolate
do it one by one, step by step. You can make it.
I'm not easy. It's crooked. Put the plate. See? It's crooked.
I love donut. What type?
Chocolate.
You love chocolate? Okay. I love.
Before I got the Oreo and the strawberry, and it said.
Well, last time you went to Dunkin', right? Dunkin' Donut. You love.
And
Dunkin'.
I always like those milk chocolate ones. Cow, you.